Beanie, what are you doing? What are you doing, Beanie? Are you excited? Beanie's a little excited and was running around and woke me up because it's snowing. It's snowing. I could not fall asleep last night because I was so excited, and I think because I had a little coffee yesterday and I never drink coffee anymore. Oh, Beanie, you want to go outside in the snow? I was in bed by 12:30, which is rare, and I could not. I was still up, laying there. I was still up past 4 a.m. Beanie, you want to come outside? Come outside, Beanie. Oh, I'll leave the door open for you, honey. Oh man, this is amazing. And it wasn't even snowing. I think I woke up a little bit like an hour ago. I don't even know what time it was, and I could look outside for a second and I saw that it wasn't snowing, but now it's snowing. This is amazing. And we're going into the day with it snowing all day and into tonight and tomorrow, and every single day this week it shows rain and snow. So this is just the start. Oh, Beanie wants to be out in the snow. How cute. Beanie, is this crazy? I don't know if she's ever been in snow before, not since I've had her. And I've had her a year and a half, I think. She don't slip on the steps. Oh, this is awesome. Beanie! Look at this. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting. I'm so excited. It's always a winter wonderland out here at my parents' across the fields there. And we're up on a mountain, so it's more snow than in town, but I guess right now it started snowing in town and it's starting to stick. And I don't think we really had rain before because we didn't have rain even after 4 a.m. it wasn't raining. So I don't know if it sprinkled a little bit or if it just started coming down as snow. So the ground was pretty dry, so that's awesome. It's not just going to be slush and wet. What are you doing, Beanie? What are you doing? She doesn't know what she's doing. Beanie, have you been in snow before? Before I owned you? Beanie! Just like, nope, I'm going back in. That was so funny. She probably didn't know if it was going to be cold or not. This is amazing. This little roof we made for the gimbal is great to keep the snow off the camera and the gimbal. Gotta get a little lighter outside to get even better video. And once it really starts snowing. Oh, this is awesome. And this does nothing yet. Hi, Beanie. Plus, I'm in the woods, so not as much of the snow is getting through the trees as over in the fields by my parents, since they're out in the open. This is so amazing. Beanie, what are you doing? Brr, it's 32 or below 32 degrees. So that's great for the snow. Beanie, isn't this exciting? And again, this is nothing. I mean, a couple years ago here at my parents, we had like over a foot of snow. And we got snowed in twice. We got snowed in for like 5 days. New Year's Eve, or yeah, New Year's Eve, and then a week after or something. This is so amazing. I think it's picking up. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful snow. We need to go skiing. We used to go skiing all the time. And then we didn't go for a long time, and then me and my mom went like in 2009, and it had been forever, and I was right back to flying down the hill as fast as I could and spun around skiing backwards. They used to make me wear a helmet when I was little because I'd just fly down the hill as fast as I could straight down. But then a long time ago, my dad wrecked on his snowboard and broke his foot or leg or something. So now, the last time me and my mom went was 2009, so it's been 11 years. Brr. Oh, it's picking up. This is amazing. Oh, it makes me so happy. I'll always love the snow. Oh, this is amazing. I've waited so long for this. Brr. Beanie's resorted to looking out the window. Beanie, was it too cold out here? Was it too cold? Beanie. Okay, I'll come back out and check it in a little bit. Bye-bye.